Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't need to girl Nikki, and you know your boy rush around there with the camera. So today guys, we come with a seafood mukbang today. So as you can see, we have everything in the plate right here. So we have the egg, we have the potato, we have the corn, we have the lobster, we have the crab, we have what do you call this? They call it something again, spaghetti and shrimp, something. We have what a clamp business there. So let's get started right now. I am so excited. I'm digging at this now. You feel about this?
Feel really good. I mean, we want to do this a long time. We want to do this, so I guess now we get the chance to be with it.
Looking at everything right here, so guys, my
Roll
belly
up the sleeves.
My belly full already. So guys, as you can see, we have some
Start with the clams then.
well, may I start with the shrimp pasta. That's what I want.
Oh, so yeah, we want to shout out big up Lucky
Crabs
seafood restaurant and bar.
right?
You guys can go and check them out.
I think we have somebody else to shout out. Who were that other two person that they said they want to shout out?
Anyways, I want to big up Kima Vlogs.
You guys want to go over there to like,
Share,
and subscribe to his channel.
Yep, he has some good content over there. The link will be in the description or right there on the screen. So you guys can go and check it out. But clams taste different from than clams and something that's same thing.
What I said?
Yeah,
No, come here eat them something else.
it tastes different. Them taste good.
No.
In for the crab leg. So Nikki, what's the weirdest thing you have ever done? Like, weirdest thing that you've ever done?
You want to know the weirdest thing that I ever done?
Or the naughtiest thing you have ever done?
Alright, the naughtiest thing I've ever done is you really want to know the naughtiest thing I've ever done?
So like, yeah, I think what that feel like.
No, I'm not just lying. The naughtiest thing I've ever done is have sex in a tree.
Really? Really naughty. Bad girl.
It was good because when you open at the tree, and tree are clear.
What is love sex in a tree,
Nice outdoor sex, nice.
Them things that you gotta go on with.
You don't want to do it. So you don't want the neighbor them see you. You don't want the neighbor them to see you, so you always want it indoor.
Yep, obviously.
No, I can't bother with doing sex. Why?
It's not work for the stretching thing. We over this up.
I mean, I don't want something. What do you mean by it now go work out, guys? What wrong?
Can't crab this. We don't know what kind of crab. Not sure it down. It's pretty good. It's low good. Oh yeah. And then they
Oh my god. Guys, I will be right back. Something is missing. I will be right back.
let me see. Well, that dinner, yeah. Awesome. You want to ask me any question?
Yeah, something to tell you still.
Take care, Come see you come to I can't prank you.
You prank me, I prank you.
You have any questions you want to ask me?
What your biggest fear in your life?
Well, used to be. Well, my biggest fear is failure. But get over it. It all winds down to what you believe to be success.
Okay.
You got me?
Mm-hmm. So, what you plan for the next 5 years after this?
Babies. Have a house myself. You can call mine.
Guys, this is I eat seafood and not chicken salad.
I'm gonna crack. Crack the shell in.
What a bad boy, yeah. So we met about. So we met out. You see that?
Yeah.
Mm?
So, tell me something. Alright, if I'm gonna come to approach you, we not like what them always I say.
Alright.
What turn it off and them things there if I'm gonna come. And when can say to turn it off or when can do to turn it off.
Like, if my customer say, give me your number, and them look weird, sometimes it turn me off because, you know why it turn me off? Because every day of my life, I go to read the same thing every day. Baby, you know me like to give me a number.
I thought just random bills. Me just thought me I talk like on a guy eye. So for instance, a man just come over to you and I come to talk to you. When can say to turn you off?
Disrespect me.
Sweet potato sweet.
You just want to see me ask me about if me can go young and I can have sex. But some me go hotel, go have a drink. And you just know me.
If you want me to come to you and say, baby, yeah, look here.
I wouldn't say nothing.
Oh, so you don't have a problem with that then?
No, but if you go the way, then you put in your place.
Sweet potato sweet, that's far.
Guys, I don't know what. But something is wrong.
What's wrong?
I don't make you like a pregnant woman.
Who is?
Feel like I'm pregnant.
Can't prank me.
It's not a prank. I feel like I'm pregnant.
You know me. You pregnant? What talk, you know?
Yeah, I'm pregnant. I feel that way I'm either hurt me, and the smell of this alone kind of turn me off and I feel like I'm going to vomit, but I just have to force it.
I'll prank you, I'll prank you. Yeah, I'll prank you.
Okay, let me drink this. Sorry, beer. Try with my stomach.
Tastes really nice.
When you beer, I eat.
Things that I'm beautiful.
No, I said the weirdest thing whatever happened to me. I went time I go meet a guy. Then he's gonna have dinner. And I'm like, but yeah, me had me no want defecate. And by the day I end up meet the man and everything. I would just sit and talk. I'm just drink from one liquor. I meant to say like you don't touch pan gas. Jesus Christ.
My friend there!
The poop won't come. I couldn't stand it. Because I got poop and the man depend. When I poop, you're the man that asks. You smell that? What is this smell, sir? And kill me dead inside, but I can't tell the man say I'm mean. Every time I tell him say I'm mean, remember the man that get the from under the table and go.
You must put this. Wrap me.
I'm not there. The weirdest thing.
But yeah. So the thing said,
from there.
From there.
Well, I'm excited over this.
Yeah. I eat. Probably should have a cracker though. But nothing stop me.
I don't know about him, guys, but my belly full.
I really. Just start the video. Belly full, quick.
So nice, I swear it nice. Big up yourself, lucky crab. Guys, don't need to go check it out. Who not check it out, need to go up there, just check it out. And follow like that over and thing. Nice.
Yeah, babe, yeah, guys. Yeah, babe. We did that say we have planned to change the name of our channel.
Yeah. Here's my suggestion to him. I was saying that most people don't really know what name on YouTube. As in my personal name, they never know us as real youths. ENT. Right? Entertainment, right? What me that try to tell him say is that he can put my name because the youth does sound like one person.
Alright, so sick up in my viewers and my subscriber then. So maybe have some technical difficulties with the ending of the video. I don't know what's going on about the memory card or something like that. Some of the video them be corrupted, the file them corrupted, isn't it? So if you make it this far, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And please share and ring that post notification bell as well. So quick updates from viewers and subscribers. We're going to change our name from Real Youths ENT because a lot of people have problem finding our name online, subscribe to it and things like that. So we're going to just change to something more simple, something more feasible so people can pick it up more easier, be able to watch and things like that. So we're going to change it over to Nikki and Rush, isn't it? Something more simple, feasible, isn't it? So peace out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.